Yahoo! Welcome to Kota's Kitchen. This is a cooking show that you can cook Japanese food in the office setting like this by using this electric skillet. And this is extremely easy. So that's how we started this Kota's Kitchen. Let's get to this. Today's menu is Yakisoba. This is a stir-fried Japanese noodle. This yakisoba is great for the potluck that you can bring to your party to impress your friends. And if you go to a Japanese restaurant or Japanese supermarket to buy yakisoba, cooked yakisoba already, doesn't usually have lots of vegetables. But this is home cooking, office cooking. So I care about my colleagues. So I add lots of vegetables. So first of all, cut. It's not hot. So first of all, of course, oil. Just about. Yeah, by the way, today it's supposed to be like more than 10 people coming. So I prepared lots of vegetables. All right, so first, chopped onion, chopped carrots. So the next ingredients I'm going to put is meat. And the timing is that when you see this onion becomes see-through, that's when I start to add another ingredients. So today's meat, it's pork belly, thin sliced. Yeah, so you might wonder why I chose yakisoba in March. There's a reason why. In Japan, right now, cherry blossom is blooming. And we call it hanami. It's happening almost everywhere. Hanami means you kind of enjoy watching cherry blossom trees while partying under the tree. So yakisoba is actually the usual, party dish for the hanami. So that's why I chose to make a yakisoba. Alright, now meat is already cooked. Now I'm going to add cabbage. Alright, cabbage is about to cooked. Now I'm going to add oyster mushroom. I chose to add oyster mushroom for no reason. It could be sliced shiitake mushroom, it could be enoki, it could be any mushroom or you don't have to add mushroom. Now we have lots of vegetables and meat and mushroom. Actually, you can add seafood like shrimp or like scallops, whatever you like. Let's see if there's anything else left in the refrigerator that I can maybe add in. Yeah, I found moyashi, bean sprout. This will be perfect. I will just add it in. Yeah, really, if you care about your colleagues, add lots of vegetable. If you don't, add more meat. You can add bacon. Right. So now vegetables, meats are all cooked. I will place noodles in this skillet. So I have to remove this vegetable at this moment. Right. The instruction says you have to add a 1/4 cup of water per package. So we have 9 packages of noodle here. So I'm going to add 9 1/4 cups of water. This is extremely slow. Maybe not much water left in the tank, I guess. All right, 9/4. And the instruction also says oil. While the water is warming up, I can just tear all the packages. I have never cooked 9 noodles at one time before. So let's see how this goes. It's just like last time I made a okonomiyaki. I made it too big and then I broke it when I was flipping. Right, for noodle, yeah, I choose to use chopsticks. This is easier to separate all the noodles. Oh, Wes, do you think you can help me?
Yeah, sure.
Opening up the powders? So this powder is designed for 1 package of noodle. And just add. Yeah, thanks so much, Wes.
Anytime. I'm hungry.
Yeah, you better be. Alright, vegetable back in. So this is a huge amount of yakisoba. Right, I'll cook probably 2 more minutes. Alright, one last spice. Kota's green onion. I want to keep it nice and green, so I will add all in the last. Alright, done! So on top of yakisoba, they usually pickled this reddish ginger and then dried seaweed powder that we used on okonomiyaki last time. Alright, so this is the yakisoba completed. Itadakimasu. So if you like this office cooking show, please don't forget to subscribe Bay's YouTube site. We have great programs about Japanese American community.
So that was good.
Oh yeah? Party under the cherry blossom.
Yeah.